Okay, so Michael, what's the matter?
There is a stripped bolt down there,
And
it's making this clutch not work very good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Why is the bolt all stripped?
Some person did
Oh,
the stripping.
yeah. Some teenager?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's fix it. Yep. No threads. No threads left in the case. So, Michael, this is going to be your first Helicoil.
Yep.
Are you excited?
Sure.
He looks excited.
Yeah. Oh. There we go, got it.
How's it going? Coming off of there? There it is. Okay, do it again. Okay, go on. No, just barely. So, there's the Helicoil kit.
Right.
Straight from China.
There.
It's like less than 40 bucks. So the one we're gonna need is this size right here, the M8, or I'm sorry, the M6. And so all we do is we gotta drill it out, tap it out, install the Helicoil, and punch off the tab, right?
Yep. Easy.
Don't hold on to the bit, it's gonna cut you.
I know.
Okay, there you go. All right, so let's check and see how deep that hole is. I'll hold the tape. All right. Check. Put that in there.
Okay.
Precise measurement, right?
Perfect.
Okay, so there you go. Let's put this tape on the drill bit, that far away from the end of the drill bit, so that it doesn't go too far.
There.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Got it?
Perfect.
So we're not going to go too deep.
Hopefully not.
No hope in this one. Yeah, it's a good thing. Practice. Okay.
And then we're going in.
That's pretty quick. There you go. That's deep enough. It's kind of cool. It's ready for some new threads. You know, we probably don't want any metal shavings in the clutch bearing, so I'm going to put a rag in there. Now, all right, I'll just put a little bit of oil on there before we cut the thread. Ready? Here we go. Back out and go forward. Back out. Back.
Intense precision.
Clean this stuff off of there.
Threads look pretty.
Threads look good. Yeah. I think it's Helicoil time.
We're ready.
Okay, let's put some Loctite on there. Okay. There we go, that'll do it.
Not very red.
No, it's not red, but it is high strength. Okay. Is that going maybe?
Looks like you might have cross-threaded it.
No, it's going.
Maybe it's just this angle.
Okay, here we go. Look at that.
There it is.
Going in there.
Yep.
Just a couple more turns. And hole free. Okay, let's just test them. Okay, very good. Wow, it'll be nice.
Stick.
Time to put it back together.
Is it called a bike wrench that turns those?
Bike wrench?
That thing. that
This
you're holding.
T-handle?
T-handle. That's what. It's
Down there. Just a little bit. Let's pull this one down.
that one right there to cover.
We need our new bolt.
Get the new bolt.
And this is the fun part. This is what we're working for. Trying to get that thread.
And
There
then
we
the
go.
whole bike explodes for no reason at all.
No reason at all.
That's what usually happens. Am I right?
Yeah, the threads are a little tighter.
Well, that means they're stronger. Either
Yeah,
that or
that's what it
you're
means.
gonna break them.
Don't want to break them.
Let's just not say those things.
Let's not say that stuff. Okay. And we're there. Got it. All right. Got it. Let's go riding. Wanna go
Yeah.
riding?
Totally ready.
Let's go riding.